friends, welcome to the Defense Tech channel. Today we are going to talk about all the guns that are in service with the Indian Armed Forces. So the first, in the part 1 I will talk about the SMGs and the assault rifles, and in the second part I will talk about all the sniper rifles and many more types of guns that are in active service with the Indian Armed Forces. So in that, the first we have the SMGs of the Indian Armed Forces. So in that, the first we have the Helker and the Koch MP5. The Helker, the MP5 is a 919 parabellum submachine gun developed in 1960s by the team of engineers from the German small arms manufacturer Helker and Koch GmbH of Oberdorf and Neckar. There are 100 variants and clones of the MP5, including some semi-automatic versions. The MP5 is one of the most widely used submachine guns in the world, having adopted by 14 nations and numerous military, law enforcement, intelligence, and security organizations. It was widely used by SWAT teams in North America, but has since been supplemented by M16 variants in the 21st century. The next we have the Uzi submachine gun. The Uzi submachine gun is a standard Uzi with a 10-inch barrel. It has a rate of automatic fire of 600 rounds per minute when chambered in 9mm parabellum. The 45 ACP model's rate of fire is slower at 500 rpm. The next we have the Sterling submachine gun. The Sterling submachine gun is a British submachine gun. It was tested with the British Army in 1944 to 1945 as a replacement of the Sten, but it did not start to replace it until 1953. A successful and a reliable design, it remained as standard issue with the British Army until 1994, when it was phased out as a L85A1 assault rifle was phased in. The next we have the assault rifles that are in active service with the Indian Armed Forces. We have the INSAS rifle. The INSAS rifle is abbreviated as Indian Small Arms System. Is a family of infantry arms consisting of an assault rifle and a light machine gun. It is manufactured by the Ordnance Factories Board at Ordnance Factory Tiruchirappalli, Small Arms Factory Kanpur, and Ishapur Arsenal. The INSAS assault rifle was the standard infantry weapon of the Indian Armed Forces. The rifle was replaced with the AK-203 and the SIG 716 beginning in 2009. The light machine gun version began to be replaced by IWI Negev in 2020. The next we have the SIG 716I. The SIG 716I variant features a direct impingement gas system instead of short stroke push rods gas system. This operating system has helped SIG Saucer to bring down the cost of manufacturing and pushing more sales of SIG 716I while improving the accuracy and improving weight reduction. The SIG 716I model is chambered in 7.62 into 51 mm NATO. SIG Saucer appears to have discontinued SIG 716 and SIG 716 G2 models, since the company stopped displaying these products in their website while they continued to sell magazines and spare parts in their online store. The SIG 716 has been recognized as the best AR-10 rifle for the year 2020 by readers George Voiting of Ballistic magazine. Next we have the AK-203. As of 2018, the AK-200 series rifles are offered for export sales and for domestic law enforcement users in Russia. The AK-200 series was based on the AK-100 series and the AK-12. They can be chambered in 5.45 into 39 mm, 5.65 into 45 mm NATO, and 7.62 into 39 mm, and use a barrel and gas system assembly similar to that of the AK-74M or AK-100 rifle family. Improvements added from the AK-12 include Pisantini rails, a new pistol grip, a new adjustable butt stock, and a new flash header. They feed from 30-round magazines and are compatible with drum magazines from RPK and RPK-74. The next we have the IWI Taver TAR-21. The IWI Taver TAR-21 is an Israeli bullpup assault rifle chambered in 5.56 into 45 mm NATO caliber with a selective fire system selecting between semi-atomic mode and fully atomic fire mode. The Taver is designed and produced by Israel Weapon Industries. It is produced in two variants, the TAR-21 and the CTAR-21. Built around a long stroke piston system, the TAR is designed to maximize reliability, durability, simplicity of design, and ease of maintenance, particularly under adverse or battlefield conditions. The next we have the M4A1 carbine. The M4 carbine is a 5.56 into 45 mm NATO air-cooled gas-operated direct impingement magazine-fed billet carbine. It has a 14.5 in barrel and a telescoping stock. It is essentially a lighter and shorter variant of the M16A2 assault rifle. The M4 is extensively used by the United States Armed Forces and is largely replacing the M116 rifle in the United States Army and the United States Marine Corps combat units as the primary infantry weapon and service rifle. The M4 has been adopted by over 60 countries worldwide and has been described as one of the defining firearms in the 21st century. Since its adoption in 1994, the M4 has undergone over 90 modifications to improve the weapon's ergonomics and the modularity, including the M4A1, which strengthened the barrel and removed the burst fire option, and the SOP mode. An accessory kit contains optical attachments and the underbarrel M203 grenade launcher. The next we have the T91 assault rifle. The T91 is produced by the 25th Armory of the Republic of China Ministry of National Defense. It is based on the proven T86 assault rifles, incorporating features from the M16 and the AR-18 rifles with more modern features. The T91 is lighter and shorter than the T65. It replaces and has a 3-position telescopic stock to allow adjustment based on individual requirements. The next we have the FN Scarel. The FN Scarel Special Operations Forces Combat Assault Rifle is a family of gas-operated automatic rifles developed by Belgian manufacturer FN Herstel in 2004. It is constructed with modularity for the United States Special Operations Command (SOCOM) to satisfy requirements of the SCAR competition. The families of rifles consist of two main types. The Scarel for light is chambered in 5.56 into 45 mm NATO, and the Scar H for heavy is chambered in 7.62 into 51 mm NATO. Both are available in close quarters combat, CQC, standard, SDT, and long barrel LB variants. The next we have the AKM. The AKM is an assault rifle designed by Soviet small arms designer Mikhail Kalashnikov. In 1959, it is the most ubiquitous rifle of the Kalashnikov rifles. It was developed as a replacement of the two AK-47. Introduced a decade prior, the AKM maintains the AK-47's wood stock but has simpler individual parts that are favorable for mass production. Like the AK-47, many variants of the AKM exist, such as AKMS, AKML, and the AKMP. So friends, this was all the information about the SMGs and the assault rifles that are in active service with the Indian Navy. In the next video, we will talk about the sniper rifles and many more type of rifles that are in service with the Indian Armed Forces. And so friends, this was all the information. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.